Welcome to FPV Insights. I'm Lucy. Today we are going to talk about FPV drone racing. When it comes to drone racing competition, I'm sure you are all familiar with. It's a sport where competitors attempt to pilot high-speed drones through an obstacle course as fast as possible. And talking about racing, then two major drone racing leagues must come to mind: the DCL and the DRL. DRL and DCL are the world's premier professional drone racing property. The best drone pilots in the world flying the league, and millions of fans watch them racing on social media, combining groundbreaking technology and immersive drone racing. They are creating a new era of sport that brings high-speed competition, IRL, in virtual simulation and in the metaverse. DCL returns with highly anticipated event, the DCL23 Grand Prix Split 2, scheduled to kick off on September 25, 2023. This thrilling competition brings an exhilarating showcase of drone racing to fans around the world, featuring intense competition and exciting changes. 10 4-meter teams are gearing up to battle in this high-stake competition, including X-Blade Racing and Radar Racing, both of whom has a strong track record of success in past season. Additionally, the league has introduced a new team, Match First, which is the first ever women's drone teams to compete in the DCL. There are two rounds of split final and the grand super final, with the winner becoming the winter champion in Split 2. Another highly anticipated tournament in the 2023-24 DRL Algorand World Championship seasonal opener, which results report will have a massive competition in Miami on September 13th. Regard to this topic, we have a talk about the DRL SIM Tryoutst held in July. The winner of the DRL SIM Tryoutst was successfully signed a contract with DRL for the 2023-24 DRL Algorand World Championship season as an official pilot. In addition, it will feature an Air Force endorsed pilot and flight deck for the first time, a highlight of the competition. This means that the U.S. Air Force recruiting strategy is shifting to place even more emphasis on greatest drone pilots. These races are thrilling and are eagerly awaited by countless enthusiasts. Along with some amazing moments, there were also some moments of crashing. Watching the next.
And they are off all looking for that lead. Heads up in the lead so far. The blue road no longer
We just go to absolute carnage. In the first pass on the square gate, we're going to lose Killian. It is absolutely brutal to have this much opportunity and crash this early, but that's where Killian goes out. Then we get into the Google Cloud gate where we basically lose 3 more. You see everybody go through. Alex crashes into Hyper, and they're both out and or damaged. That leaves MCK chasing down Gab 707 for the win, but Gab 707 comes in with a little bit too much speed and splits that drone in half, leaving MCK all on his own to take a win in the semifinals.